I think it really is a testament to the work that the people put in, and really I think it's a great way to show appreciation to everybody who put in such hard work on this.
We build a lot of our work orders within Maximo, and from that we'll take some of those inputs and some more information from our DGA results. Those are oil samples that come out of our transformers, just for instance, and an integration to another software that we pull that information back into Maximo and use the health program within the Mass application suite to evaluate those health scores.
Yeah, I feel like at Evergy we are inherently just innovative in general. You know, although we're new to Maximo, we have had the health score system and a really robust PDM program for quite a long time.
Yeah, so the biggest key metric is those health scores that we build within the health application. So, you know, all the metrics that go into the 3 different major health scores that we have. We have one for batteries, one for breakers, and one for transformers within those T&D assets. Yeah, it's just a labor of love from Jesse and his team and their peers, developed over years.
Yeah, a lot of the metrics we're using, sometimes it's just the basics. You know, probably most proud of our transformer one because we get a lot of information from our oil testing. So that weighs heavily into our health scores for transformers. We also use, it might just be make, model that are known bad actors, corrective work order counts, inspection results. And that pretty well goes across the breakers and batteries as well. Of course, not oil sampling for batteries or breakers, but you know, similar metrics.
I just think there was a lot of work that went into the project. We build a lot of things into our implementation within Maximo. We put a lot of time into developing our master PMs, our PM records, our PM work orders, and just that whole process, the preventative maintenance uses that we have out of this application. We just wanted to get the most out of the application for us. After seeing some of that come to fruition, we really just wanted to highlight some of the team's work. Our teams and the IT departments, our system integrator, PwC, doing just a ton of work and putting all this together. It's come together well, and we're looking forward to continuing to show that to others, hopefully being a leader in the industry.